Starts now.
The recent deaths of 2 highway construction workers has prompted ODOT to call for changes in construction zones. News Channel 5's Deb Lee is live along the Shoreway with the details.
Well, ODOT wants to reduce the speed limits in those temporary construction zones. Those are the ones that they set up just for a few hours overnight when they have a small job like patching a pothole or two. Now, you know how fast the traffic moves out on a highway like this. ODOT workers tell us some cars go just as quickly through construction zones. Watch as these vehicles sail through this construction zone at 77 and Rockside. The speed limit has been lowered to 50, and signs warn that speeding fines will be doubled. But the only thing slowing down some of these vehicles is stop traffic ahead.
When the police are running radar patrols, they're not bored.
Project engineer Scott Slack sometimes works the night shift here, where speeders pose an even greater risk. Just this month alone, 2 Ohio highway workers lost their lives in temporary overnight work zones. One just this week on 271. It's prompted ODOT to call for lower speeds in these temporary zones.
There's certainly a lower speed limit in our permanent work zones that are unchanging that you see from night to night. But many times in our short-term and temporary work zones where folks may be patching in a specific area or there's a pothole that needs patching and we just need to be in there for that one night to patch that pothole, we don't often lower those speed limits, so it can be very dangerous.
In this 6-mile construction zone on 77, reducing the speed from 60 to 50 only added 72 seconds to the trip. But not everyone is keeping it at 50.
And we've had a lot of accidents, people hitting guardrail ends. We've had a serious accident on this job in March of 2009 where a guy got badly injured and still is not fully back to work 16 months later.
If ODOT succeeds in reducing the speed limit, that's only the first step. The next is getting drivers to obey it. And ODOT tells me they don't know when or if they're really going to be able to get these speed limits reduced or how long it's going to take. Until they do, they want us all to just slow down on our own. Live in Cleveland, Deborah Lee, News Channel 5.
Yes, we all need to take it easy when we see the construction workers and those orange barrels out there on the roads. Thank you, Deb.
Absolutely.